Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we will learn capital cursive C and D. Which letter is this? C. Capital cursive C. C for cat. C. How to write C? C कैसे लिखेंगे हम? Put your pencil on the dot. Go to the top. Come down with a big curve. C. Capital cursive C. Go up. Come down with a curve. C. Go up with a curve and come down with a big curve. C. Capital cursive C. Go up, come down. C. Go up with a curve, come down with a big curve. Capital cursive C. Go up, come down. Capital cursive C. Up, down. Capital cursive C. C for cat. Now tell me, which letter comes after C? D. Capital cursive D. D for dog. D. अब D कैसे लिखेंगे? Put your pencil on the dot. Come down. Make a curve. Go up. And turn. D. D for dog. Come down. Go up with a curve. Turn in. Capital cursive D. Down. Curve. Turn in. Capital cursive D. Come down, make a small curve, then go up with a curve, turn in, capital cursive D. Down, small curve, big curve, turn in. Down, small curve, big curve, turn in. Capital cursive D. D for dog. Now children, we will write C and D together. Put your pencil on the dot. Go up. Come down with a curve. C. Come down. Small curve. Then big curve. And turn in. So children, what did we learn today? Capital cursive letters C and D. Have a nice day.